What's up, folks? Jonathan here. I'm going to do another behind the photo, and today I'm going to show you how I made this photo. Now, I started from this right here. I took a photo in my room against this white screen, and then I just masked myself out and put myself into this folder. So let's start going over the layers. Original photo that I had was this one from Unsplash. It's a good website to find stock photos at for free, so I found this one. And then I'm just gonna go over each layer and how I made it blend in. So first thing I did was make a brightness contrast layer to kind of make the background a little bit darker to bring out the brightness of this area here. Okay, and then this is the sun. I guess I put all that stuff on one layer, but so lightning and a little sun in here. And then the background is just the grid. Oh, so there we go. So this is the lightning and the sun. And then I put this in here and I masked out the area to fit inside of the lightning there. And what's next here? That's myself that I put in. And I have the smart filters here to kind of add, as you can see, I added some purple and some stuff to make it blend in a little bit more. And I put a color correction on it. I guess it's only right here where you could kind of see a little bit more blue. And I put some shadows on the feet to blend it in more, or just made it a little bit darker. And did some brightness contrasting, some more brightness contrasting. All these brightness contrast layers to try to blend it into the scene to make it look like there's light coming out. I changed the hue saturation, which I can't even see what this is for, but it's in there somewhere. Oh, this one's for the hair. You see how it's more purple here, and then I had to tone it down a bit. I changed the levels to make it blend in more. Exposure, I changed the exposure for the pants to have it kind of look like it's blending in more. Wow, this is a lot of stuff I did. So all these are curves, as you can see, they're just different layers that try to blend into the photo more. Here. And then some extra lighting right here. Okay, I didn't end up using this, but I used this one. So this was the original colors. I put a filter over it to make it look a little bit darker. And then I added some glow effects here, some lightning on the bolt here, to make it come out of glove. Now, how I made the lightning is I have these, let me just make a new layer. I have these lightning brushes, and let me see if I can find them. I got too many dang brushes in here that aren't organized. Here we go. So pretty much, well, that's red. All I did was I just made a bunch of lightning and then, you know, just kind of trolled it around into a circle. And then I just used different ones to, you know, make it work. And I did that until I was happy enough with the circle that I was satisfied with. So that's how I made the lightning bolt portal. All you got to do is Google lightning Photoshop brushes and you'll find some. And that's just exactly how I made that. So this is, you know, just went from this to this. And that's pretty much how I did it. If you have any questions or comments, just leave some and I'll answer them. And then if you like this video, want to see more, just hit subscribe or like the video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.